Now we are going to discuss the last question of this chapter, that is question number 15, and this question is asking, describe the arrangement of floral members in relation to their insertion on thalamus. Alright, we know that on the basis of arrangement, first of all, we know that all the floral parts, including androecium, gynoecium, calyx, corolla, all these floral parts are arranged on thalamus, that means on receptacle. Now, on the basis of arrangement of calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, all the floral parts, on the basis of arrangement of all these floral parts on thalamus, we have, or the flower is described as into three conditions, such as hypogynous, perigynous and epigynous flowers. So basically we have three types of flowers: hypogynous flowers, perigynous flowers and epigynous flowers on the basis of arrangement of calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, right? If we talk about the very first type of flower, that is hypogynous flower, we already know that what are hypogynous flowers. In these type of flowers, the ovary is situated at the highest position. The ovary is situated at the highest position, whereas all other floral parts such as stamens, such as calyx and corolla, all these floral parts are present below the ovary. The ovary in this case is said to be superior ovary, right? And the examples for this hypogynous flower we have is China rose and mustard. In the China rose and mustard, the flower condition we see is hypogynous, that means the ovary is superior, or we can say the ovary is situated at the highest position with respect to all other floral parts. The next type of flower we have is perigynous flowers. In this flower, the ovary is situated on the thalamus, right, along with the other floral parts. The other floral parts such as calyx, corolla and androecium are present at the rim of the thalamus. The ovary is situated on the thalamus, but other floral parts such as calyx, corolla and androecium are present at the rim of the thalamus, and in this case the ovary is said to be half inferior. For this we have example as rose. Now if we talk about the last one, that is epigynous flower. In this kind of flower, the thalamus grows around the wall of ovary, and the ovary is said to be inferior in this case. The ovary is said to be inferior in case because the thalamus grows around the ovary of a flower, and all other floral parts such as calyx, corolla and androecium grows onto the thalamus. So automatically the ovary is said to be inferior because it is present just below the other floral parts of a flower. The ovary is said to be inferior in this case. We have some examples for this. Now we are going to write the answer number 15. Arrangement of flower mechanism, right? If we talk about this, then we have hypogynous. First of all, we'll write the answer like this. First of all, we'll write on the basis of arrangement. On the basis of arrangement of calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium on the thalamus. Flowers are described as hypogynous, perigynous and epigynous. So first we are going to talk about hypogynous. The ovary is situated at the highest position, other parts are present just below the ovary. Just below the ovary. The ovary in this case is said to be superior. The ovary in this case is said to be superior. For example, we have in China rose and mustard. China rose and mustard are the examples of hypogynous flowers. Then the next one we have is perigynous flowers. In this, the ovary is situated at the thalamus and other floral parts. Other floral parts are present at the rim of thalamus. Ovary is said to be half inferior. For this we have example rose. Then the last one we have is epigynous. Now in this, the ovary is surrounded. The ovary is surrounded by the formation of thalamus. All other parts, other floral parts present above the ovary. In this case, ovary is said to be inferior. Right? In the hypogynous condition, ovary is said to be superior because it is present at the highest position and all other floral parts are present just below it. Then in perigynous condition, the ovary is said to be half inferior, and in the last condition of a flower, that is epigynous condition, the ovary is said to be inferior because all other floral parts are present above it. In this case, epigynous condition, we have examples such as cucumber and guava. All these are the examples of epigynous flowers. Now this is the complete solution of question number 15, and we have completed the last question of this chapter. With this we have completed the NCERT discussion of this chapter, such as morphology of flowering plants. This is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.